You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this brand name, famous brand name of shoes. If you want to learn more luxury brand names, sportswear brand names too, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. And until the end of the video, we've got tons for you. So this is a French brand, and in French it's pronounced Veja Shoes. So in English, the pronunciation that you can easily use is as Veja Shoes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.